My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the website Abetal.ga. Abetal.ga. Such pop-ups may unexpectedly appear in your browser when you don't even expect anything to be downloaded. The pop-up says that your file is ready and that you need to click on this free download button to download the file. Very often, such pop-ups may lead to the installation of malware, and these pop-ups may be integrated with some websites that offer freeware download, or the download of some illegal software that contradicts copyright laws. And when people see these pop-ups by Abetal.ga, their system is under the risk of being infected with malware. But as I said before, also such pop-ups may simply appear without your intention to download any files. Anyway, the reason why these pop-ups may disturb your screen could also be because of your computer being contaminated by some adware. First thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find something unfamiliar here, get rid of it. Also, don't neglect checking the list of your available browser extensions by going to the menu, More Tools, Extensions, and if you find any third-party extensions in place, get rid of them, because often the unusual browser behavior may also be the result of some adware in your system. And to make sure that your computer is free of any other concealed threats, we strongly advise researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your system with its help to detect and delete all other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.